Hey, welcome back to the channel and happy Saturday. I hope everybody is having a great weekend so far. So today it's gonna be a quicker video. I already mixed up the epoxy here for this tray. I got the dragons all hardened. We're gonna pop him out and see how he looks. And there's that. So as soon as I put this vinyl on this tray, the person is gonna know who it's for. And let me say, she is an amazing person with a big heart and a big supporter of both my channels and such a great friend, so I feel she deserves it. I don't think she knows I'm making this for her. But anyways, let's go. So this is what it looks like right now, the tray. It's different greens. I can't pop it out because we got to put the vinyl on it, okay? And go from there. So, I know there's a glare from the window here. Let's go and get this on here so you guys can see. Maybe I should move you over here. There we go. So you guys can kind of see what's going on. All right, let's get it. Oh, I got it stuck to the table, y'all. Hold on a minute. And thank you, everybody, for all the love and support. Welcome to all my new subscribers. You guys are amazing. All right, so this is a good size tray. It's a scratcher tray. So let's go. Let's get this vinyl off here. I got the vinyl sitting here. It's already been cut. I did a little short of my machine cutting the vinyl, the Cricut machine here. But it's you gotta get it to stick to this here. I'm curious to see how this little dragon is gonna turn out too. Then after I'm done with this video, I gotta go outside and plant some of my veggies. I've got some dirt filled in the garden boxes. Why is this not wanting to stick? It's being a pain, but you know what? That's what happens sometimes. I'm gonna turn it so you guys can see what I'm doing here. Trying to get it to stick. And it's being a butt. There we go. Ta-ta! Got it! Alright, let's go. Turn you guys around so you can see what I'm doing. Once I get it all stuck, I will show you guys. Actually, I gotta think. That one's gonna go there. Hold on a minute, y'all. And this one's gonna go probably here. There. Alright, so I got an idea where I want to put it. I hope she likes it. So once I get the vinyl on it today, and then I pour, I'm going to fill it, you know, with clear epoxy. I'll let it sit for 48 hours in this tray, and then I will pull it out of the tray. This vinyl I got, this is some cheaper white vinyl. I mean, it's not cheap, it's just a different brand than I'm used to. Anyways, squirrel. So it'll get another layer of epoxy, and then it's going to have to sit 48 hours in this tray still, and then I will pop it out and let it sit for 72 hours. Really? Why is this stuff being a pain in the ass today? Sure, as soon as I go make a video, this stuff don't want to cooperate with me. Aha. Alright. As soon as I put this down, this person's gonna know who it's for. I hope she really likes it. I really do. She's a good friend. She's got a big heart. You guys go over and check her channel out. She said once she gets to 500 subscribers, she's gonna go live. I hope she likes it. But so it's gonna take a week for this before it's done, because I have to do sanding. Got to get it all sanded. It's got to cure, sand it, all that fun stuff. Why is this being a jerk? There we go. The S is being difficult. It's official. Excuse me, I should have turned my notifications off on my phone. It's official. She should know who it's for now. I think it's going to be beautiful. I didn't want to do too much of stickers, or, you know, just too much, because you won't see all the pretty greens and stuff in there. So that's why I didn't want to do that. Just enough. Sorry, y'all. I bumped the camera. You know what I mean? Just enough where you can say, oh man, I think that turned out awesome. I really hope she likes it. Damn. I'm gonna move you guys here. It's official. She should know who it's for. Look at that white pop on there. Look at the detail on that rose. This is for Rosebud Scratcher. She's a real good person, good friend of mine. This is her scratcher tray. I'm going to turn it this way because now we are going to pour the clear in there and fill it up, and it's got a set. I already did that boring part. I had it all mixed up, so you guys didn't miss nothing there. Like I said, it's not going to be a real long video today. Surprise, Rosebud Scratcher. Then we just gotta put this over it. Seal in that vinyl and the alcohol ink. Man, I can't wait to pop this thing out to see the whole thing. You know what I mean? It's gonna look really good. Make sure we get all that out of there. You gotta spread it, make sure it gets to all the corners, which it has. And I'll take my heat gun and go over it. There's a paper towel. I can take the heat gun and go over it so there's no bubbles. Alright, awesome. So that's what I have there for today. The pyramid is kind of at the boring stage right now. I just poured a little clear in it to kind of help hold the lights down. But it has, I can't really move it. That's still, I just poured that in just to help hold the lights down. Then it'll get some more clear. And then I'm going to start with different colors to build the pyramid up. But those are the lights there. We're going to pop this dragon out here. But I got a dog that literally is right underneath my feet, and this desk chair has wheels. So let me move y'all down over here somewheres. Not run over a tail. Alright, so this is the dragon mold my husband bought. We thought it was going to be a lot bigger. It is actually pretty small. I mean, it's my vape. Alright, so let's pop this sucker out and see how it goes. I know the lighting's bad right now because I got my fat head in the way. But I added some pigment colors. Dang, man. I always find a way to get epoxy all over me. Alright, let's go. No, this shit is a mess over here. Oh my goodness. That is so cool. The tail is kind of flimsy. It's kind of cool. I'm not 100% sure what I would do with that. Just to kind of show, oh yeah, see? Sleeping dog. Just to kind of show you in a better light. This is the dragon. The detail is really cool. I was thinking about using it for a scratcher, but I mean, it's not very strong, but I could definitely make some magnets out of it. Unfortunately, see how it's duller? But see, I put the pigment colors on it. So we're gonna play around with it some more and see what we get. But I could definitely make some magnets out of it. That'd be kind of cool. I don't know, we'll see. Alright, whoops. Well, there's that, because there's the mold. Alright, you guys. If you stuck it out to the end, you know what to do. Show your love and support. Subscribe, like, comment, and share. I hope she likes her tray. I think it is going to turn out absolutely beautiful. I'm going to get my heat gun out. You guys don't want to see that. It's not a long video today. So there's that. So you guys enjoy the rest of your weekend. Until next time, bye.